Hey there friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into something super cozy and charming, vintage style cottage home decor with modern twist. Okay, so picture this, you walk into a space and it feels like you have stepped straight into a cozy English cottage. Think floral patterns, warm colors and the homey vibe. But wait, let's sprinkle in some modern touches to keep it fresh and current. Are you ready? Let's get into it. Blending vintage cottage charm with modern design elements creates a cozy yet stylish home. Here are some decor ideas to achieve this look. Number 1. Color palette. Vintage touch. Soft pastels, muted earthy tones or creamy whites. Modern twist. Add contrast with deep navy, charcoal or black accents. Number 2. Furniture mix. Vintage touch. Distressed wooden furniture, antique pieces or repurposed items. Modern twist. Pair with sleek, minimalist furniture like a glass coffee table or contemporary metal chairs. Number 3. Textiles and patterns. Vintage touch. Floral prints, gingham, lace curtains or crocheted throws. Modern twist. Mix in solid neutrals, geometric prints or textured fabrics like linen and buckle. Number 4. Lighting. Vintage touch. Candelabras, brass sconces or oil lantern inspired lamps. Modern twist. Install raised lighting or sleek LED fixtures for a balance of old and new. Number 5. Wall decor. Vintage touch. Gallery walls with antique frames, botanical prints or vintage mirrors. Modern twist. Use clean lined floating shelves or large abstract art pieces. Number 6. Kitchen elements. Vintage touch. Open shelving with ceramic dishware, farmhouse sinks, and rustic wooden countertops. Modern twist. Matte black hardware, sleek bar stools, or stainless steel appliances. Number 7. Flooring and rugs. Vintage touch. Reclaimed wood floors or checkered tiles. Modern twist. Add contemporary area rugs with bold patterns or neutral jute jugs. Number 8. Greenery and natural elements. Vintage touch. Indoor plants in terracotta pots, jade lavender bundles, or a small herb garden. Modern twist. Statement planters with sculptural plants like fatal leaf, figs, or monstera. Number 9. Cozy sitting areas. Vintage touch. A tucked armchair, a rocking chair, or a floral patterned love seat. Modern twist. Pair with a sleek side table, a modular sofa, or minimalist accent chairs. Number 10. Statement ceilings and beams. Vintage touch. Exposed wooden beams or baseboard ceilings for a rustic look. Modern twist. Paint the beams in a bold hue like matte black or use LED strip lighting for an updated feel. Number 11. Mix of old and new materials. Vintage touch. Wicker baskets, distressed wood and old iron. Modern twist. combined with polished marble, burst gold finishes, and acrylic accents. Number 12. Fireplaces with a fresh look, vintage touch. A traditional brick or stone fireplace with a wooden mantle. Modern twist. Whitewash the brick, add a sleek, eclectic insert, or use modern tile around the hearth. Number 13. Bathroom vintage modern fusion, vintage touch. Clawfoot tops, pedestal sinks, and anti-brush buckets. Modern twist. Glass shower enclosures, floating vanities, and matte black fixtures. Number 14. Layered winter treatments, vintage touch, lace or floral patterned curtains. Modern twist. Add neutral linen shrubs or sleek blinds underneath for contrast. Number 15. Dining room elegance, vintage touch. A farmhouse style dining table, mismatched vintage chairs, and a candelier. Modern twist. Pair with velvet or acrylic chairs, clean light pendant lighting, or a contemporary sideboard. Number 16. Intimate charm, vintage touch. A distressed wooden bench, antique tote rack, or rustic console table. Modern twist. A sleek mirror, modern wall sconces, or a geometric rug to balance the aesthetic. Number 17. Vintage cinematic integration, vintage touch. Retro radios, rotary phones, or antique clocks. Modern twist. Hide modern tech-like speaker and chargers in vintage boxes, or use smart home devices with vintage style designs. Number 18. Artful display of collectibles, vintage touch. China cabinets, wall-mounted plate displays, or vintage bookshelves. Modern twist. Style with sculptural objects, contemporary art, and minimalist arrangements. Number 19. Outdoor cottage retreat, vintage touch. Old iron patio furniture, wooden swing benches, or vintage planters. Modern twist. String lights, sleek fire pits, and a mix of classic and contemporary outdoor textiles. Personalized with vintage modern blend, vintage touch, handwritten recipe cards, family heirlooms, or flower market finds. Modern twist. Display these in shadow boxes, sleek floating frames, or as part of a crafted shelf decor. Number 21. Architectural details with contrast, vintage touch. Shiplap walls, wainscoting, or exposed brick. Modern twist. Paint them in bold colors like deep green, navy, or matte black for contrast. Number 22. Unique outboards and bedroom accents, vintage touch. An iron bed frame, a wooden curved outboard, or a quilted fabric headboard. Modern twist. Paired with minimalist bedding, geometric pillows, and sleek nightstands. Number 23. Mixed metal finishes, vintage touch. East brass, antique bronze, or old iron hardware. Modern twist. Mix in matte black, polished chrome, or burst gold for a fresh crafted look. Number 24. Layer textures for warmth. Vintage touch into throws, lace tablecloths, and embroidered cushions. Modern twist add velvet pillows, buckle chairs, and structured linen jobs for a sophisticated balance. Number 25. Vintage doors with a modern upgrade. Vintage touch, repurposed antique doors, barn doors, or French doors. Modern twist paired them in striking colors like chess green, navy, or black, and add sleek modern handles. Number 26. Stylish coffee or side tables. Vintage touch. A distressed wood coffee table or a vintage trunk used as a table. Modern twist paired with a glass or marble top side table. And modern sculptural decor. Number 27. Sleek yet rustic shelving. Vintage touch. Floating wooden shelves, antique bookcases, or repurposed crates. Modern twist. Style them with a mix of modern ceramics, books with minimalist covers, and vintage collectibles. 28. Bold wallpaper with vintage appeal, vintage touch, floral, dynamics, or child wallpaper. Modern twist. Choose an oversized pattern or a contemporary color palette like black and white botanical prints. Number 29. Modernized antiques as statement pieces. Vintage touch. An antique dresser, a Victorian style mirror, or a vintage secretary desk. Modern twist. Give them a facelift with fresh paint, modern hardware, or sleek marble top. Number 30. Elegant table setting. Vintage touch. China with floral patterns, lace table runners, and silver-plated cutlery. Modern twist. Paired with minimalist dinnerware, gold flatware, and modern glassware. Number 31. Reclaimed and upcycled decor. Vintage touch. Repurpose old doors as headboards, turn a ladder into a bookshelf, or use a vintage suitcase as storage. Next, modern twist. Keep it sleek with neutral paint, metallic accents, or modern hardware updates. Number 32. Cottage-style bathrooms with a luxe touch, vintage touch, freestanding tops, baseboard walls, and antique vanities. Modern twist. Add a glass shower enclosure, a minimalist mirror, or matte black pockets for contrast. Number 33. Farmhouse and modern mix-in kitchen. Vintage touch. Vodka block countertops, open shelves with vintage dishware, and apron front sinks. Modern twist paired with sleek quartz countertops, high-tech appliances, and industrial-style pendant lighting. Number 34. Cottage-inspired mudroom or entryway. Vintage touch. A wooden bench with cubbies, a vintage coat rack, or a floral wallpaper accent wall. Modern twist. Add a streamlined storage system, a sleek modern mirror, and a smart lighting. Number 35. Rustic and modern mix-in fireplace mantles. Vintage touch. A chunky wooden mantle or a vintage-style stone surround. Modern twist, decorate with sleek vases, abstract art, or a minimalist mirror. Number 36. Open concept with vintage touches. Vintage touch. Distressed beams, vintage furniture, or antique candeliers. Modern twist. Keep the layout open. Use neutral color palettes and incorporate clean lined furniture. Number 37. Cottagecore office or breathing nook. Vintage touch. A roll top desk, a floral upholstered chairs, or a bookshelf with vintage books. Modern twist, add floating shelves, LED desk lighting, and a contemporary ergonomic chair. Vintage rugs with a modern layout, vintage touch, Persian, turquoise, or floral pattern rugs. Modern twist, layer them with neutral jute rugs or place them in unexpected ways. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Don't forget to hit that like button. Share your own vintage finds below and subscribe for more cozy decor tips. See you next time and happy decorating. Thank you so much.